Sansar Lingdo Thaba of the United Democratic Party has won the Soyang seat after defeating his close rival Samlin Malanga of the National Party by 3,422 votes. Congress has established comfortable lead over BJP in Karnataka Assembly elections. As per the latest trends available, Congress is leading in 129 seats, followed by BJP in 65 seats. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated and laid foundation stone of various projects worth around Rs 4,400 crore in Gandhinagar, Gujarat yesterday. A total of 1,223 new cases of COVID-19 were registered in the country in the last 24 hours. In IPL cricket, Mumbai Indians defeated Gujarat Titans by 25 runs at Wakanda Stadium in Mumbai last night.